Yes, sir. Honorable Judge Blaze, I stand before you on behalf of my son, Tyler Bryce Simmons. I'm not here to make excuses or justify any of his behavior, but I do want you to know the Tyler that we all know. Your Honor, every parent thinks that their child has a big heart, but that really is the case with my son Tyler. He really does have a big, giving heart. Ever since he was a little boy, he was always going to help his grandma, who was supervisor of elections, and helping his uncle, who opened the Youth Crisis Center. He was always giving to kids less fortunate than he was. He was always standing up for kids if he saw them being bullied. He played football from age 5 to 17 and was a number one player in Jacksonville for 3 years in a row. He always wanted to be an entertainer, and it showed on the football field. But back in 2013, his cousin, Megan Simmons, that was like a sister to him, was brutally shot and killed, and it was very traumatic for him. He never received any counseling for that. He very much needed. And not only that, I'm his mother, who he needs most in his life, and I had to do 2 prison sentences during his teenage years, which are a child's most crucial years of their lives. So I blame myself 100%. If I would have been there to discipline him, then he might not be here. But, Your Honor, all my son has ever wanted to do was be an entertainer, and he wasn't able to make it in football. So he saw this opportunity that people were getting rich and famous by making rap videos, so he tried it. And he's never actually been physically caught with a gun, nor did they find anything in our house when they searched it. I've talked with my son, and he's matured a lot. He still wants to stay in the entertainment industry, but he wants to change his direction, and he wants to do something good with it, like helping kids. He also wants to move out of Jacksonville. He has an ample amount of support behind him. Your Honor, the only reason he had to take this case to trial was because the state would not come off the 15-year max, so he had no choice but to go to trial. Your Honor, please take into consideration the facts of the case, and please sentence him by the point system. It would be an injustice for someone to lose so many years of their life, especially when they have so many plans to do so much good. Thank you.